Meike Plastic Products Company located in Huizhou City, Guangdong Province, China. The total area of the factory combined with our Dongguan factory is 20,000 square meters. Let's go and see it. We have 6 fully automatic cast film equipment, 10 automatic coating equipment, and 30 fully automatic composite and slitting equipment. The annual output value reaches 90 million, with nearly 20 years of industry experience. These are our slitting machines. Our company mainly focuses on the production, development, and sales of the hot melt adhesive film. The products mainly include TPU, EVA, PES, PO, and PA hot melt adhesive film, which are widely used in industries such as underwear manufacturing, functional clothing, electro products, production covers, etc. This is our seam sealing tape. This is our sole-free garment. We have a complete set of production equipment and process flow, from raw material production to delivery. These are the release paper. The process flow includes automatic feeding, hot melt film extrusion, automatic monitoring and adjustment of film thickness, cooling system, automatic cutting, rolling and packaging, customized size processing, film composite, and product quality inspection and packing. The company's products have passed RoHS and SGS product certifications and comply with EU Environment Protection Standards. It has 9 independent invention patents and is certified as a National High-Tech Enterprise Factory. Our cooperative customers include these well-known brands. Meike will win customers' trust with high-quality products and give their continuous cooperation with thoughtful and enthusiastic services. Welcome to visit the factory. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.